Hey guys, welcome back to RX-16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark, Resident Evil Revelations for the Nintendo Switch. That's why we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again here today. This is definitely a throwback. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Now this game is on PC, and if you're new to the channel, that means this is simply a video to show the progress of the YUZU emulator. That's all it is. Otherwise, just play the game on PC, guys. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Resident Evil, man. Always loved Revelations. Good game. Love Revelations 2 better, to be fair. I don't know, I just like the story of it. Nonetheless, the game is running fine. Right off the bat. Now, it is the first time I'm playing it, so there will be compiling of shaders. So every stutter you get, yeah, that's the game compiling the shaders for the screen. Right away, this is completely playable. There was a double beep in the menu.
It's been abandoned for a while.
It did like beep beep every time, but other than that, the audio seems to be completely fine. Kind of worried me for a second, to be honest with you.
No signs of life, but I feel like something's here.
Really? Maybe it was that thing that just ran on by over there. I actually have this whole game beaten on my channel if you guys want to check that out as well. I played it a couple of years back. Oh my god, that takes me back. Beat the whole game on my channel. Great stuff. But I do throw back. The whole point of my channel is basically to benchmark everything. I benchmark everything as an emulator wise. So YUZU, RPCS3, Xenia, every game that's on there I'll try to benchmark. It's gonna take me a long damn time, but I'll get there eventually. So yes, that's why I play every game. In case you're wondering why I play games that are on PC as well. I bench everything. If it's on it, it's important enough to bench.
It's not working.
Moving on then. I feel like I could have ran. Couldn't I run in this game? Or is it just me? I feel like I could have. Now these are short corridors, so I do expect the game to play smooth for the most part. Obviously whenever I go into a new area, I expect it will lag for the first few seconds, but after that I expect it to play relatively well.
It's shorted out.
But nonetheless, let's keep moving. Ooh, what's going on here?
Parker, give me a hand here.
Sure, no problem.
The CPU isn't being used, but it's kind of crazy because I also tested this out because I wanted to see if one of the earlier Switch games would have had a lot of RAM usage as well. This takes up more RAM than the PC version does. It's crazy. That's the thing. The emulator takes up a lot more RAM.
I got something. I think it's a gun.
Now what?
It definitely takes up more RAM. I feel like this doesn't even take up more than 4. Or just about. To be fair, I need to test this on PC as well. Oh, that's not good.
So, it's not Chris.
How would you know? That's a hand. How would you know? All it was a hand. How would you know that? Literally just a hand. Cutscenes that you play, but the frame times are a bit woof. But when aren't they here? Because I am running at 60 rather than 30 FPS. I kind of expect that too. Was Parker shooting? I can't even tell. Because we heard that double bullet. I assume Parker was shooting as well. It's crazy that this takes up so much damn RAM.
This explains our missing crew.
This is not good. Where are you, Chris?
Somewhere not here. Nonetheless, running well. Always impressive to see awesome emulation, guys. It's crazy to be able to get this kind of emulation. We're just gonna emulate full games like this, like such big games. Like you could literally sit down and play this game on here if you wanted to. I don't know why you would, but hey, you could. And that's kind of the point, right? You could.
Ah, look at this mess. Oh, they're rotted to hell.
Skin so pale. I've never seen anything like it.
Use the Genesis to get a reading on it.
I'm gonna do that.
The Genesis requires a decent sample size to get an accurate reading. Scan the carcasses on the beach and send me your data.
Only if you say please.
Have a look at this.
I'm getting something from inside it.
Careful now.
Don't worry, I've done this before.
Really? You're just gonna put your hand there with fingerless gloves? Really? That's how you do that.
I've got something.
Tell me how Jill did not lose her hand just now.
What is this? If it's an engineered mutation, this could prove a link.
I'll run some tests on this. Continue with the investigation.
It's interesting because not even the cutscenes are running. Their cutscenes are running sporadically as well, so I can't even say that they're cinematics necessarily speaking. Ooh, don't mind if I do. Give me some ammos. I feel like now though, because of that, it has managed to catch up to itself. Whoa! I still gotta scan you though.
Careful, you two. Not only knows what fight is repeatedly.
I kind of figured that. Don't worry, we're on it.
What the? Still alive? Okay, now you're dead. I kinda already scanned it though.
After Raccoon City, this must be a cakewalk.
I suppose. So why'd you quit the FBC for this outfit?
I wanted to be more involved. I wanted to fight.
I see you two are okay. Continue with the investigation, but proceed with extreme caution.
Whoa!
Ugh, that smell must have ruptured from gas.
Christ, what a mess.
Now the textures of 2012.
Analysis. Give me a few more.
But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Once again, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see me test out next on the channel. I basically do everything, so eventually I will do something you probably want to see. But until then, stick around for more epic content. I don't know what I'll post next.